Yes, even my African brothers, I don't have a problem with. As long as they have the proper documents and they are doing the job that South Africans can't do, I don't have a problem. But I can take a photo of this company, put it on social media, tomorrow you'll be closed. Tomorrow you'll be closed. So I don't want to do that because a lot of people will lose their jobs. So Chelanda Yamato Hamba Yamago that. Who know that? The rest of us. Umkai. Who know that? Why can't you want to put him on a family? We should be peaceful. These are our brothers. They are not the problem. They are not the problem. These people are not the problem. The foreigners are not the problem. The problem is the government. So we are saying our foreigners must move out of the way for us to sort out the problem. No, it will take us only 3 months and then they can come back. Asini na mutu. Agiti nezo matoto. Okukala mankonyo ni ndoboli nempopo. Now umphakathi ngoba la ngoba into eqhamuka lemuva ngoba into eqhamuka lemuva awuzi lapha-ke kubangiswe iscreen sokwakwathema hostel. Now uzulu buka le muva. Buka le muva. Siyangitshela nje. Kunjani buka lapha emuva. Buka lapha emuva. Abantu bonke la abantu badini. Abantu bonke la